Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to open a joint account in the Monzo app. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up your preferred web browser. Over here, you can use any browser like Google Chrome. After that, search for GeForce Now and open the official website. Then, you will see the GeForce Now homepage. Over here, open the Monzo app and tap the home icon in the menu bar. After that, tap the plus icon in the top right of the screen. Then tap apply for a joint account. Over here, if your co-owner's details are saved in your contacts and payments with friends is enabled, you can select your co-owner from the list. Alternatively, tap invite someone to generate a unique link. After that, send the link to the other party. Then make sure the link is used within 24 hours or you'll need to send a new one. So that's basically how you can open a joint account in the Monzo app. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.